No. That's the only thing that's getting him light.
One of your pets? What's his name? Opus? Look at that tail.
That's Pogo.
Pogo?
Used to be a comic strip, Pogo the Possum.
Oh, yeah?
It was all set in the Okefenokee swamp.
Ah.
And back in the 50s. They even had a Christmas album, Christmas songs of Pogo. Christmas album. Deck us all with Boston Charlie.
He's eating the hulls.
Oh, for the holes from the seeds?
Norris breathing
Poops
on
outside
the
the looks like
hulls.
hulls. Not all, but yeah. It's like the poops all over the place.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Yeah. Just,
Ooh, look at those teeth.
it's like that. Okay. It's all like raccoons.
That's probably enough possum excitement here. He got a new memory card, so he likes to use it.
Look here, guy. You gotta run along. That's all right.
Taking his picture?
Yeah. Alright, it's a video.